Good Thursday morning to you, Matt Morano in the Time Warner Cable News Forecast Center. About 9:30 this morning. Do want to take a look outside with the low clouds out there continuing. We're in the low 60s in Charlotte. Satellite imagery showing that these clouds are sliding off to the west-southwest, so I suspect we will see some sunshine developing here later on this morning. A little breezy out there, northeast winds at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty closely grouped there, mostly low and mid 60s out there. We'll rise up into the low and mid 70s this afternoon. Storm tracker, we are dry right now. Out to the east, we do see some showers offshore heading for Hatteras. These showers will be pushing into our neck of the woods as we get into the late evening. These not in association with Hurricane Matthew. Do have high pressure up to the north, Matthew down to the south, but the enhanced flow off the Atlantic will bring in those showers in here later this evening, and periods of rain will be with us tomorrow. Meantime, down to the south, there is the eye right here of Hurricane Matthew, very close to Nassau and the Bahamas. Looks like the eye wall is onshore right now. There's Miami. We are seeing those first rain bands come into South Florida right now from the east, and this is going to be only getting worse. Here's the high resolution model showing the center of circulation of powerful Hurricane Matthew getting close to offshore of West Palm Beach at 10 o'clock tonight. This thing may actually come inland or run right along the coast, creating devastation along its path later tonight and through the day tomorrow. Serious situation. Look at the rapid refresh high resolution model wind gust chart here. These are forecast wind gusts as we take it past the 9 o'clock hour. They only increase by 4 o'clock. Winds gusting 50 West Palm Beach to about 34 up towards the Space Coast. And as we get deeper into the evening, you can see winds gusting West Palm Beach 76, Freeport, Bahamas 74, Vero 64, and 57 up at Cocoa Beach. Even over at Fort Myers, winds could be gusting over 40 miles per hour. Tropical model tracks are all tightly grouped as we go in through the overnight during the day tomorrow at 6. Again, taking that very close to paralleling the coastline, and from there it does make that track more to the north than northeast. This is Saturday at 2 o'clock. Models are tightly clustered fairly close to the coast here, so that may enhance our rain threat with the coastal trough setting up. That could bring some heavier rain across our eastern zones here during the day on Saturday. But tomorrow, its periods of rain will be stuck in the 60s to lower 70s out to the east. Model data suggesting we could even see up to an inch of rain, the GFS model here, throughout tonight, tomorrow, into tomorrow evening. You see about 3/4 at 9 o'clock. Then more rain as the wind starts to pick up overnight. It'll be blustery all day Saturday. You see about 2 inches by 8 o'clock Saturday morning. But boy, this really picks up across the area here. 8 o'clock on Saturday evening, over 9 inches Myrtle Beach, 6.5 Wilmington, nearly 6 in Fayetteville, and storm totals in Charlotte between 2 and 3 inches, but a lot more to the east, a lot less to the west. We could be seeing Monroe, Wadesboro, Rockingham on the order of 3 to 4 to 5, even possibly up to 6 inches according to the GFS model. And you can see these final storm totals extending out to the east. Definitely significant rain. Looks like the rain in Charlotte tapers off sometime late afternoon on Saturday. And you can see how the European model is not far from it. Now, this is from the overnight run. We're going to be getting new data this afternoon on this, but it definitely shows a maximum out to the east and a lot less to the west. So again, stay tuned for updates. We will see blustery conditions, winds gusting probably 30 plus here on Saturday, with a pretty fair chance of significant rain out to the east. That's going to be the highest impact from Hurricane Matthew, enhancing again our rainfall here, especially in through the day on Saturday or eastern zone. Sunday looks terrific right now.